Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. You need an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription and a compatible client. Plug in or pair your keyboard and mouse, then sign in to the same Microsoft account used for your subscription. Next, open Xbox. .com/play in a Chromium browser or launch the Xbox app on Windows. This ensures the cloud service recognizes input. Once done, choose a cloud-enabled title and press Enter or click Play. That first connection initializes keyboard and mouse control mapping. Now you configure controls and fine-tune responsiveness. You should check the game's options for native keyboard and mouse support and adjust bindings as needed. Some titles emulate controllers. Then make OS tweaks. Set pointer speed, disable mouse acceleration, and shorten key repeat delay so inputs feel snappy. In the browser or app, enable full screen and low latency modes when available, and click inside the game window to ensure input focus. These steps reduce lag and preserve intended control behavior during cloud play. Finish by testing core actions. Move, look, and open menus, then remap keys to comfortable layouts. If you notice input lag or dropped keystrokes, make sure you're on Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi and close bandwidth-heavy apps. Network quality directly affects cloud responsiveness. If the keyboard or mouse isn't recognized, restart the Xbox app or browser, repair devices, and sign out and back into your Microsoft account. That usually restores proper device mapping. If not, try a different USB port or another browser for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.